In the United States, we are simultaneously dealing with droughts and depleted groundwater while experiencing an increasing number of severe rain and flooding events.
Whenever you have too much excess water in a flooding event, you've got major costly damage. Some of the measures that can be taken to mitigate the effects of stormwater are porous paving and underground stormwater containment. That's because porous paving can reduce runoff, which dramatically reduces the amount of flooding in an environment, and stormwater underground containment systems can actually capture the water. The more underground water containment systems we have, the less water we have on the surface. Porous paving is any type of paving system that allows water to permeate through the surface into the ground below to recharge the groundwater.
When it comes to using porous pavement, there are many applications. Whether you're using a grass surface or a gravel surface, it's a stable parking structure that allows rainwater and stormwater infiltration.
And that's the important part, is reducing runoff, reducing the amount of water that we have in our streets.
Porous paving contributes to green building by offering a more sustainable solution than concrete or asphalt. It can replace any application of concrete or asphalt with a grass or gravel surface. Because that surface is pervious, it allows the water to run through as opposed to creating runoff.
Bioremediation lends to the ability to reuse the water if it is captured through stormwater storage systems.
Bioremediation is the process of microorganisms actually cleaning. The water will go down through the sand or soil, and by the time that water gets into the groundwater, it's been cleansed of all of the toxins and pollutants and chemicals in a natural way. Water retaining solutions are a great solution for drought, especially in places that have rainy seasons and then drought seasons, because you can capture the water during the rainy seasons and then reuse it for the drought seasons.
Urban areas have been built with so much impervious surface, and because of this, cities have implemented systems such as gutters and ditches in order to carry that water out of there. But what that does is the water carries pollutants from the city, from the streets, from cars. If you put in more pervious surfaces, the heat island effect that happens in urban areas, which is partially created by concrete and asphalt, can be reduced quite significantly. The heat island effect is what happens when the sun reflects off of hard, unnatural surfaces such as concrete, asphalt, and building material. The cities have already been developed, so the concrete and asphalt is already in place. And to put these products in, you have to go back and retrofit the area. I think the focus on green building and urban resiliency continues to pick up momentum. In talking to young designers and students, they're really putting these kinds of things at the forefront of design.
Due to increasingly hazardous weather patterns and droughts, green infrastructure and building practices have become more important than ever, which is why Invisible Structures has been leading the charge in providing stormwater solutions to mitigate the damage and negative effects of this water in order to recycle and store it in a way that is beneficial to the environment.
Invisible Structures is a company that started in Aurora in a garage in 1982, and we focus mainly on stormwater management solutions.
With climate change, we're seeing both more flooding and more drought. So our products address both of those. Grass Pave 2, Gravel Pave 2 are made out of 100% recycled plastic, and they offer the greatest void space of any other product on the market. Greater void space equals faster drainage.
The types of solutions that we offer to capture and recycle stormwater are products Rain Store, which does exactly that. It captures and stores stormwater. We also have porous paving products such as Gravel Pave and Grass Pave. Grass Pave was our first product that was invented in 1982. It was the first flexible porous paving product on the market.
The benefits of using an Invisible Structures product is much stronger than other products on the market. The flexibility of it, the way it can conform to contours, because it comes in rolls, it is very easy to install. When it comes to stormwater detention, Rain Store 3 is one of the easiest products to install. We have a Rain Store estimator to design the Rain Store to the exact height that it's needed in the field. So when it shows up on site, it's ready to go in the ground. That makes installation efficiency and safety a lot better.
We try to stay at the forefront of green building, so all of our products are focused on environmental solutions. We're helping to promote a cleaner environment.
Visit our website today